from our build on our side shed. We had all these wood shavings where we peeled these poles. What we're gonna do is we're gonna load all this up before this rooster scatters it everywhere. He likes to scratch and play in it. We're gonna load it all up. We're gonna carry it down to our compost pile. Use it in around our tomatoes and different plants that we're gonna grow this spring. It's early February. It's also good to put around blueberry bushes, different fruit trees and things. Keep some moisture in the ground. This is kind of like mulch basically. But this is mostly pine bark and there's some sweet gum bark in it. Of course, now I've got pine straw and everything else we've raked up, but it'll all be all right. We're going to take it down and put it in our compost pile. Obviously, we're going to have to make a couple of trips to do this. Just to tell you a little about our compost pile, what we've done here is we've laid these logs in a somewhat log style design. We put one on the bottom, notched this one, laid it on top, and then notched it again and put this one on top. Kind of keep this compost all in one pile. We left this end open so that we can take a tractor with a bucket, come in here and stir in it if we want to, so that we can take the wheelbarrow and dump in it. Good morning, Roscoe. Somebody's just let him out to play. But anyway, we'll use this in our garden. Hopefully we're going to make some nice potting soil over the years right here. But chickens like to come down here and scratch in it, dig the bugs out of it for me. But they also help keep it aerated. You have to turn this over every so often for it to compost right. But that's one of the reasons we left this end open. We'll take the tractor with the forks, drive it in here and pick this up, and that'll tumble it. So just to explain how we're doing here.